Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson compound interest. Now coming to worksheet 3 sums. Question number 1. Find the amount for rupees 15,000 at 8% per annum compounded annually for 2 years. So underline annually. So we have to see whether it is annually, half yearly, quarterly. Isn't it? Examples we have done. So first it is a principal. How much it is told? 15,000. R is 8% per annum. So there is no change. Write as it is. And time, that is N, we are writing as 2 years. So amount, find the amount. What is the formula? P into bracket open 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. It is 15,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 the whole raised to 2. 4 2s are 4 25s are 100. So it became 15,000 into 25 upon 25. So 25 plus 2 is 27 upon 25. It is 2 times. So 27 upon 25. 25 ones are 25. How much are 150? 100 is 4 times. So 2 times extra. So it is 6. 2 zeros. Now 25 ones are 25 twos are, it is a 50. So 10 remains, that means 100. So 4s are. So 25 24s are 600. Now 27 into 27 into 24. You get 27 27s are 729 into 24. You will be getting 17,496. That is the answer. 17,496. Calculation, rough work you have to do. Now find the second question. Find the compound interest on 11,200 at 17.5% per annum for 2 years. They have not told anything. It is annually. If it is not mentioned, then it is annually. Okay. So it is 11,200. R is equal to 17.5% per annum. That means 17 2s are 34 plus 1, 35/2% per annum. And N is equal to 2 years. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. 11,200 into bracket open 1 plus 35 upon 2 into 100. In the denominator 2 into 100 will be there. The whole raised to 2. Now 5 7s are 35, 5 20s are 100. So it becomes 11,200 into 1 plus 7 upon 2 into 20, 40. The whole raised to 2. Now 11,200 into this becomes 40 upon 40. 40 plus 7, 47 upon 40 into 47 upon 40. 10 10 10 10 cancelled. Now 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. 3 remains. 4 8s are 32. Isn't it? So 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. 47 into 47 into 7, you will get 15463. 15,463. Now CI is equal to A minus P. 15,463 minus 11,263. 4 minus 2. Now it will be 4. So answer is 4,263. That is the CI. Hope you are confident with the first and second question, isn't it? Now coming to the third question. Ram borrowed a sum of 30,000 from Shyam for 3 years. If the rate of interest is 6% per annum compounded annually, find the interest paid. Interest compounded annually means CI, isn't it? After 3 years. So principal is how much? Rupees 30,000. R is how much? 6% per annum. N is equal to after 3 years. So it is compounded annually, direct sum. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. 30,000 into 1 plus 6 upon 100 the whole raised to 3. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 50s are 100. So it became 30,000 into 1 plus 3 upon 50 the whole raised to 3. That is 30,000 into, this is 50 plus 3, 53 upon 50, 53 upon 50, 53 upon 50, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, zeros cancel. Now 5 ones are, 5 6 are 30. So you got a 53, 53, 53 3 times into 6. You will get 8, 9, 3, 2, 6, 2. When you multiply, you will get 8, 9, 3, 2, 6, 2 upon 5 5s are 25. Now when you divide and see, you will get rupees 35,730.48. Long division you have to do. So 35,730.48. Now they have asked find the interest. So CI is equal to A minus P, rupees 35,730.48 minus 30,000 is decimal 48. It is a 5730. 5730. Answer 5730.48 rupees. Okay, that was question number 3. Now coming to question number 4. See, these are all easy sums, direct sums, isn't it? Only the calculation part you have to be careful. Remember the formula, put the values and calculate. Now Nidhi deposited rupees 7,500 in a bank. Means P is equal to 7500. 4% per annum, R is equal to 4% per annum, compounded annually. So there is no change. Find the amount and interest received by her after 3 years. N is equal to 3 years. So as I have told you, underline compounded what? Yearly, half yearly, quarterly. Now it is A, you have to find out both amount and interest. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N. सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा, है ना? 7500 1 plus 4 upon 100 the whole raised to 3. 4 ones are 4 25s are 100. So 7500 into 1 plus 21 plus 1 upon 25 the whole raised to 3 means it is a 7500 into 25 plus 1, 26 upon 25, 26 upon 25, 26 upon 25. 25 ones are 25, 3s are 75, 2 zeros, 25 ones are 25, 4s are 100. Now 300, 4 3s are 12. Okay. So you got, when you multiply you will get 210912. 210912 upon 25. By long division you will get 8436.48. 8436.48. So that is amount. Find out CI. A minus P, 8436.48 minus 7500, that is 0.4863. It is 4 minus 5 means 11 minus, it becomes 936.48. That is CI. So we have completed first 4 sums of worksheet 3. Hope you are confident. It is everything annually, isn't it? All the sums related to annual. Bye. Thank you.